In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check the RAM on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This is a very straightforward and simple process. So the first step is to locate the settings app on your phone. Mine is located right over there. I'll tap on the settings app. Then once you're on the settings page, you want to scroll down till you find battery and device care. So it's right here, battery and device care. Go and tap on that. And then you'll see a whole bunch of options like battery, storage, memory, and memory is the one we want to tap on. So tap on memory. That's just going to check for a moment. And it says I have 2.1 gigabytes of available RAM or memory. And there you can see it says 8 gigabytes used. So that is how much memory or RAM my specific phone has, 8 gigabytes. And another way to check the RAM if you don't want to go into the settings app is if you're on your home page, all you need to do is swipe up and then in the search bar, just begin typing memory and then it's going to say settings there and then memory underneath that. So tap on there where it says memory and it'll take you to the same page where you can see how much RAM or memory you have. So that is how you check your RAM on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.